All right, today was beautiful. You're right, another nice day to visit. 83 in Portland, 82 in Wiscasset, 78 in Rockland, 81 in Bar Harbor. Just really perfect temperatures. Dew points down, although starting to creep along the coast into the upper 50s. Tomorrow they'll be in that sticky range again. Not oppressively humid though, probably till next week when we're going to get back into that kind of air mass. Hour by hour forecast through the rest of tonight looks good. We go mostly clear. Temperatures drop down to the 60s, a couple of 50s out there as well. Tomorrow starts very similar to the last 2 days, which is to say a lot of sunshine, temperatures upper 70s, low 80s, but then a system's going to come through. It's not really a front, fully a front, it's kind of a trough is what we call it. It's going to produce some showers and thunderstorms. Models disagree a little bit on the intensity of these storms. There is a potential for a couple of severe storms, though, especially I think into New Hampshire, into western Maine, so we'll keep an eye on that. I think your severe threat goes down, though, into the mid-coast, into down east Maine by tomorrow night. Some downpours are possible, though. And then we start Friday on a good note, and Friday looks a whole lot nicer than it did just a few days ago. Actually could be quite warm into the mid 80s with just isolated showers and storms in the afternoon, but not a ton of them. So Friday is really looking up, and then we roll into the weekend on a positive note. Storm Prediction Center has put us in a low level risk for severe storms. And again, I think really the best chances here back into New Hampshire, lower chance as you head farther to the east, but we'll just keep an eye on those storms for you. Let you know if anything looks overly nasty. And then high pressure's in over the weekend. It will be probably cloudy a little bit early Saturday morning along the coast. We'll clear out Saturday afternoon, looks good. Sunday looks good, and as does Monday. We start to build some heat in here, and it's just a matter of magnitude. The European model wants to just bake us here late next week. 90s. We'll see. The GFS has a backdoor cold front, and I'm not sure who's right. So we'll see, because last time they both agreed on the heat, so it's a little bit harder this time. By the way, just quickly, the drought still there. -6, -7 in the hole right now. That's not going to get solved anytime soon. And in which case, I guess just enjoy the nice weather because we don't have any real rain coming. The downpours are too sporadic. Their coverage is not big enough to do much. So they can affect some of those records. Like if Portland gets 2 inches in a downpour, it'll change the amount of rain Portland has to date, but it won't really change the drought situation all around, if that makes sense.
Right,
so
because it's so dry.
It is, yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Do well.
All right, looks good though. Thanks, Keith.